Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Let's review the new Fisher and Paykel Nova Nasal CPAP mask. Experience a new standard of nightly rest with the Nova Nasal CPAP mask, designed to turn restorative sleep into your daily reality. Developed by the specialists at Fisher and Paykel, this mask moves beyond traditional design to offer a perfect balance of stability, simplicity, and weightless comfort. The tube clip attaches to the top of the mask, giving users the option to place the tubing up and over their head. This keeps tubing out of the way during therapy. The cushion contours naturally to the bridge of your nose and shifts fluidly as you change positions. By rolling with your movement, it maintains a reliable seal without the need for over-tightening. This boosts both your comfort and long-term CPAP success. The SwingFit headgear is designed to fit and fasten in a simple step for a comfortable, user-friendly experience. This innovative headgear design simplifies mask application and removal. Just swing it around the head and fasten with a single click. The tube offers a flexible design that allows users to have the option to choose to place the tube over their head or wear it down. The noise diffuser is also located here, suppressing noise and diffusing air exhaust, creating a whisper-quiet atmosphere for both you and your partner. To disassemble the Nova Nasal, first start by removing the cushion and pulling it away from the frame. Remove the headgear by pushing one of the headgear clips forward until it disconnects from the frame. Repeat on the other side. Lastly, pull the diffuser off of the frame from the top left corner. To reassemble the mask, attach the cushion by pushing it into the frame. You will hear a click when connected properly. Attach the headgear by aligning both headgear clips to the frame and pull back. Lastly, connect the diffuser with the recess in the frame and push it in to connect. Your mask is ready for use again. To properly wear the Nova Nasal, first start by unattaching one of the headgear clips from the frame. Next, place the cushion on your nose and swing the unhooked headgear clip around your head. Adjust the upper and lower straps to fit the mask properly to your face where it feels snug but not too tight. Choose which way you'd like to place the tube by wearing it down or connecting it to the tube clip at the top of your head. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. To learn more about this mask or to purchase it, visit us online at www.thecpapshop.com. Thanks for watching.